Hello students, myself Rekha. Today we will do 7th lesson coordinate geometry introduction we will do. See here. In this one you observe here one graph is there. In graph see here 4 parts. First part, second part, third part, fourth part. This line is called x-axis, the x-axis. This line is called y-axis, horizontal vertical line. Horizontal line is a x-axis, vertical line is a y-axis. In this one, this midpoint is called origin. This side positive numbers, this side negative numbers. Again upside positive numbers, downside negative numbers. Here 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. First part, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. These all you learnt in 9th standard only. Simply I am giving. See here. This first part plus sign. Second part minus plus sign. Next third part minus sign. Fourth part plus minus sign. Okay, this all you learnt in 9th standard only. This 10th standard, what is there? Dot here. See this dot coordinates, what is there? First we will see x-axis, next we will see y-axis. X-axis you see Baba. What is the number is there? 4 is there. X-axis you go 4 is there. Y-axis what is there? 4. So here 2 coordinates you will get. Coordinate means one pair. So here how many coordinates? What are the coordinates are there? 4 is the coordinates. In this one, this is the x coordinate, this is the y coordinate. X coordinate is called abscissa. Y coordinate is called ordinate. Abscissa and here I am taking one more data. I am taking names -3, 4. See here. X coordinate see. X coordinate down see -3. Y1 is the 4. See here also I said this side both will come plus sign, here minus plus will come. Okay. See here in this 10th standard what we'll learn means, see here this coordinates name I am giving A. This coordinates name I am giving B. So now we will find distance here A coordinate to B coordinate. What is the distance is finding? We will learn in first exercise. So this year to year distance finding is called distance formula. What is the distance formula is there means here. Distance formula is equal to D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Keep in your mind. See here D is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. This is the formula. One question I will explain, there you will understand little bit, but first formula you keep in your mind. Why will use this distance formula? Like this, year to year we will find the distance we have to find means we will use the distance formula. Distance formula what is there? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. See here. This distance formula, this is also a distance formula only. This one when we will use from origin, we have to use the distance formula. From origin, this formula. Generally, we will use this formula. See here. This one you clear, I think. Next, we will go this formula. What is there? See here. Distance from origin. See here. Distance from origin means, see here in this one. This is what? Origin. Origin coordinates what? 0, 0. Next place I am taking anywhere one dot. Here I am taking the dot. This coordinates what? X you see 2. Next y you see 2. See here 2, 2. See here. This origin to this one. Here we will give the names. This one O you take. This one you D take. Okay. See here. This origin to this distance O to D. Origin to any coordinate distance you have to find means this formula we will see here. O to D. Here origin values what is there? 0, 0 is there. So we will use x square plus y square under root we will use. So here we will take what is the formula is there? This one. Take. From origin what is there? X square plus y square under root. Generally distance formula what is there? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Here from origin distance formula what is there? X square plus y square under root. This is the formula. This both same formula. So this is from origin. This is not generally coordinates is there means we will use this one. These two is clear I think. See here. Like this distance is there means we will use first formula. From origin to distance is there means we will use second formula. These two you clear I think. Next section formula. What is the section formula is there? See here. here only I will explain. Section formula is there. I am taking here coordinates. This dot to here I am taking. Okay. See here. This dot coordinates, what is there? First one we will take 6, second one we will take 3. Here I am giving name 6 and 3. Okay. A coordinate, first x-axis 3, y-axis 6 and 3. So this coordinates what? 6 and 3. Next, here I am giving the name B coordinates. What is there here? This name 10, 8. This coordinates, what is there? Means 10, 8 is there. Now this line divided into 2 parts. See here, I am taking 2 parts. This is one part, this is one part. 2 parts, this line divided. Okay. Which ratio is divided? 3:1 ratio, you think. 3:1 ratio, it is divided. Divided means this dot we will take one name. What name we will take? A D we will take. Here also some coordinates will come, x, y coordinates. So this coordinates finding we will use distance formula. This ratio is called this one m1, this one m2 ratio, 3:1 ratio. m1 is to m2. This one we will take x1, y1. This one we will take x2, y2. These coordinates D, here point coordinates we have to find. We will use the section formula. What is the formula is there? See here. Section formula, what is there means xy equal to, here some coordinate, this coordinates, xy means this D, xy. Xy finding means m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. See here, one sum we did means we will get little bit grip. Okay, one sum I will explain. Okay, so formula you keep in your mind, xy equal to m1 x2. Here 1 taking means here 2 take. Here 2 taking means here 1 take. Keep like this in your mind. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. Next m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This one. Next, this is what is the midpoint formula. Same this combination only, this one, this combination, this one, this combination, this one. See here, these two both same. Again, these two also same. But when we will use midpoint, see here I will take one line. Okay, here to here I am taking one line. Okay, simply I am taking, see here, this coordinates I am taking simply 2, 3. This coordinates I am taking 4, 5, you think. Okay. See here, midpoint means which ratio? This is a 1:1 ratio. Here midpoint, this coordinates P I am taking, this one A taking, this one B taking, this P x, y you have to find a midpoint. Midpoint means which ratio? 1:1 ratio. That time we will use this formula. Midpoint dividing, one line divided into midpoint dividing means we will use this formula. What is the formula is there? x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the formula. So this is midpoint dividing means this formula, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This one is something ratio, 2:3, 4:5, 9:6, like the dividing means we will use this formula. Next, this is distance. Distance, like this distance is there means we will use first formula. Origin to distance is there means second formula. Next, like this 3:1 ratio, 4:5 ratio, something dividing means we will use third formula, section formula. Fourth formula, what is there? Any line dividing midpoint, this coordinates finding we will use the fourth formula. Now I will explain in this introduction video this formula and this formula I will explain. We did means this and this we did means we will get a little bit grip. Again we will do in the exercise we did more sums means again we will get more grip. So this overall this coordinate geometry depending on 1, 2, 3, 4 only formulas, only 4 formulas. This is very easy chapter. Why means formula writing and you apply the values, you will get the answer. That's much only. Next we will do this one and this one. Okay. Now we will do distance formula. Distance formula, what is the formula is there means d is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So numbers we will take and we will do. Here I will explain. See here, a is equal to what is there? 1, 3 numbers, and b is equal to what? B coordinates what is there? 7, 6. A coordinates 1, 3. B coordinates 7, 6 is there. So this one x1, y1. X coordinate, y coordinate. So two coordinates are there. So 1, 1 we are taking. x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Confuse is there means side you write. See here, x1 is equal to what is there? 1. Next y1, 3. Next x2, 7. y2, 6. So confuse is there means you write in the box side. Otherwise here write it x1, y1, x2, y2. So like this writing means you will not get confused in applying. Okay. D is equal to formula, right? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So now you apply the numbers. x2 means what is there? x2 means this is. x2 means 7 minus x1 means what is there? 1. 7 minus 1 whole square plus y2 means what is there? 7. y2 means 6. y2 means it is 6. No confuse. Correct you write. Minus y1 means what? 3 whole square under root. Now you simplify this one. D is equal to 7 minus 1, 6 square plus 6 minus 3, 3 square under root. So D is equal to 6 is 36 plus 3 3 is 9 under root. So D is equal to 36 plus 9, 45 under root. Keeping like this also correct, but again you have to simplify means see here 45 root writing also it is correct answer only. Again you have to simplify means 45 take 3 ones are possible, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. Again 3 ones are possible, 3 5s are 15. Again 5 ones are 5. So D is equal to you write 3 into 5 under root. So perfect root is there, 2 times is there. So you take 1 time outside. So 3 root 5. 3 into 3, 9 root. 9 root means it is a 3. 3 root 5. This writing also correct answer. This writing also correct answer. So like this we will find the distance formula. First exercise full depend on this formula only. Distance formula only will give. Okay. This is the distance formula sum. Okay. Now we will do section formula. Section formula means see here. One line is there. AB line. I am taking coordinates of 4 minus 3. B coordinates 8 to 5. This line is dividing into 3:1 ratio. So this time 3 parts, this 1 part. 3:1 ratio is there. Now what is the question mark? This P coordinates we are taking xy. This one x1 y1 we are taking. This is x2 y2 taking. This is we will take xy. So this coordinates we have to find. This is the section formula. Here section formula is there means you will give the ratios. You will ask this point coordinates. You will ask this is the section formula. See here this sum we did means we will get little bit grip of this section formula. Okay. See here first coordinate what is there? A is the 4 minus 3. Next B coordinate what is there? B coordinate 8 5 is there. So one number you take x1 y1. This one you take x2 y2. Okay. Next here m1 is to m2. m1 is to m2. Which ratio is there? 3:1 ratios. So m1 is equal to 3, m2 is equal to 1. Now what is the question mark? P coordinates xy you have to find. This is the question mark. Okay. See here A values given, here see A values given, B values given, ratio given, this coordinates, this P point coordinates finding is this one is the question. Now you have to write the formula. So section formula what is there? This P coordinates what is there? Xy is there. So we are writing xy, no confuse, xy is equal to m1, correct you write m1 x2, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. See here. See here m1 x2, here 1 taking means here you take, here 2 taking means here you take 1. Next comma, see here m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the formula. Keep in your mind properly. So xy is equal to, here m1 taking means x2 take, here 2 taking means 1 take, m1 down same m1 plus m2, m1 taking means y2 take, m2 taking means y1 take. You write the formula. You applied means you will get the answer. I will apply slowly. See here, xy equal to m1 means what? 3 into x2 means what? 8, correct, apply baba, plus m2 means what? 1 into x1 means what? 4 divided by m1 plus m2. m1 means what? 3 plus 1. m1 plus m2 means 3 plus 1. Once again you check it right or wrong. 3 correct. Next x2 8, right, x1 4, correct. Next m1 means what? 3 into, what is the y2? y2 value is the 5. 3 into 5 plus m2 means 1 into y1 means minus 3 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay. Now we will simplify. See here, xy equal to, see, 3 8s are 24, 1 4s are 4 divided by 3 plus 1 is the 4. Next here see, 3 5s are 15, plus into minus, minus 1 3s are 3 divided by m1 plus m2 we took. No, here m1 means what? 3. So here you take 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 how much? 4. So m1 means 3, m2 means 1. 3 plus 1 how much? 4. Now see here, xy equal to 24 plus 4, 28 divided by 4. Next 12, 15 minus 3, 12. 12 divided by 4. Now cancel possible, cancel it. 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Next 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So xy equal to 7 3. So xy coordinates what? P coordinates what we will took? Xy. So P coordinates what? X means 7, Y means 3. So here P values 7 and P values 7 and 3 is the answer. Only these two formulas. One is distance formula, one is section formula. In section formula, midpoint is there. Midpoint means that formula we will apply and we will do. Okay. Section formula, 2 types. What is there? 2 types. One is midpoint to, one is like this. What is there? Like the different ratios. You will give. Only that's it. Only these 2 formulas. In these 2 distance formula, 2 types. And section also midpoint. Again 2 formula. Total 4 formulas to this full chapter is there. Very easy chapter. Again in this formula you have to apply the values. You will get the answer. Only that's it. Okay. I hope. Are you clear? I think. Done.